Hey everyone, if you're using Windows 11 and want an easy way to see exactly what's taking up your storage space, TreeSize Free is one of the best tools for the job. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to use TreeSize Free on Windows 11, from scanning your drive to finding large folders and understanding the results. So let's get started. First, open TreeSize Free from the Start menu or your desktop. If you're scanning your main Windows drive, it's recommended to click the application and choose Run as administrator. This allows TreeSize Free to access protected folders and provide a more complete analysis. Once the application opens, click Select Directory near the top of the window. Choose the drive or folder you'd like to scan. Most users start with the C drive, but you can also analyze other internal drives, external storage devices, or individual folders. The scan begins automatically after you make your selection. After the scan finishes, TreeSize Free sorts your folders by size. The largest folders appear near the top, making them easy to identify. You can expand any folder by clicking the small arrow beside it to see exactly which subfolders and files are using the most storage. For a different perspective, try switching to the tree map view. Larger rectangles represent larger files or folders, making it easier to spot storage-heavy items at a glance. You can also use the detailed folder list to review file sizes and locations. Using both views together gives you a much clearer understanding of your storage. Now review the largest folders carefully. Focus on personal files like old downloads, videos, installers, or backups that you no longer need. Avoid deleting Windows system folders or application files unless you're absolutely sure they're safe to remove. TreeSize Free helps you find large files, but the decision to delete them is always yours. After removing unnecessary files, run another scan to see how much storage you've recovered. Comparing the results before and after your cleanup makes it easy to verify that you've successfully freed up disk space. Regular scans are a simple way to keep your Windows 11 PC organized and running smoothly, and that's how to use TreeSize Free on Windows 11. With just a few clicks, you can analyze your storage, locate large folders, and keep your computer running efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.